Dubai is focusing on becoming a new global trade route. What are the objectives there?
First of all, Dubai have chosen to be this type of city long time ago and have worked for the past 40 years to achieve what it needs to achieve now. And this is one of the achievements but Dubai is still looking ahead for more and more to come. But the objectives was to create a global platform for the entire region, where the city could really move the entire region towards what it wants to achieve. There is part of it is a vision, part of it is a reality of where we are and where we need to be, and the other part of it is leadership that brings this all together with the people.
What's the role of the Dubai Department for Economic Development in attracting investment?
The Dubai Economic Department is the catalyst to change and economic development, supporting regulation changes and policy implementation and the overall Dubai economic strategy. Within that, Dubai Economic Department have 4 arms that really work it out. It's the foreign direct investment, the SME development, the export development, and events and promotion of the city that grows globally. Within that, I think this is the dynamics of the city that the economic department is looking to really upgrade and develop every time.
There's one real standout statistic, and that's that 2.5 billion people live within a 5-hour flight of Dubai. How does that figure into your strategy?
The strategic location of Dubai is known globally, but there are other players next to us who have almost the same. But what you do with your strategic location is the question. This is where Dubai leveraged its infrastructure and facilitation of businesses and leverage on the facilitation of easiness of doing business and growth to the entire region that Dubai covers. Part of that being, let's say, an easy accessible city, but also being a very connected city within the entire region where we are. And that's why we, without doubt, India is our largest trading partner, and we are the largest trading partner with India. We run with 280 flights per week between the two countries. This is by far one of the largest globally. But there are connectivity within the whole entire region where businessmen from these regions likes to come and conduct businesses in Dubai and its exhibitions, conferences, or just come and vacate as well.
So the big question is, what's the business case for investing in Dubai now?
Dubai have developed itself to be a business-friendly, a genuine one, long time ago. The free zones have played a strong part in that. But again, the infrastructure that facilitates business to come and make it an easier for businesses to really leverage and flourish from Dubai and have this growth to the entire region that we cover is the key answer to that.
Dubai has many friends and business partners around the world. What countries do you think might become potentially even closer business partners as your global trade route develops?
We've seen India and China really relation growing in the past 10 years, where India even centuries ago. But what we're seeing is a strong impact coming in with a better relation and economic focus coming from Latin America. Started with Brazil, which is obviously known as one of the BRICS countries, but we're seeing a stronger relation coming in as well with Mexico, where we think it's a very promising country to have a stronger bilateral relation with Dubai, with so many opportunities available for both countries to develop.
And you've had some inward investment success stories recently, tangible signs of progress.
The fundamentals of Dubai is trade and hubbing, and the structure of that is the services. Dubai have a tremendous service industry that supports that. That's why we've seen, we used to have regional headquarters of companies coming in to cover the MENASA region. We're seeing a new trend of companies who would like to cover their global operational headquarters. And one of that is the clean tech industry called Robinius, who moved its headquarters from Denmark to Dubai, and it is operating globally from Dubai in its multi-billion-dollar businesses all over the world.
So finally, as well as one of the world's iconic skylines, Dubai is also blessed with resilience and a lot of potential.
It's about the fundamental of the city. The city is fundamental, regardless of what we saw of certain sectors coming and up. I think it's the trade and services. This is what the fundamentals of the city have been there for a long time. And this is what the city is good about. And this is what the city will continue to be good about. Leveraging and adding more, let's say, sectors to the city is always the story. But it's the first adopter of best, practices from around the world, what the city was good at, and creating that harmony for the international business community from all over the world, the 200 nationalities, to come live and conduct businesses. This is what created what Dubai is about, and what we are seeing now is a tipping stone of the next economic cycle that we are very optimistic about.
Fahad Al Gergawi, thank you very much.
Thank you.